Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can pause Shopify store for maintenance. So if you are fixing something on your Shopify and you want to pause it, or you want to stop like customers from going to the product pages and stuff like that. Now what you guys need to do to pause your Shopify store, and whenever someone like visits your Shopify store, they will receive a message like it's a big page that says like we are fixing something, or you can just add something like we are sorry, we are like fixing our store right now, this store is under maintenance or something like that. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So for example, just need to log in into your Shopify store, and you want to log in. I'm going to click on login right now. Now after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click here where it says, as you can see, online store. As you can see, click on online store, and then you want to then click on here where it says preferences, and you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down and you want to check this box that says here restrict access to visitors with password, and you want to enter here a random password. For example, I'm going to add this random password here. Now after that, here for example, message to your visitors, like you just need to add the message and it will be visible to your visitors whenever they try to visit your Shopify store. Okay, whenever they open your Shopify store, they will receive this message that you are going to add here. For example, let's say we are fixing our store, we apologize. For example, we will get back soon, or you can just specific time, for example in 24 hours or something like that. Okay, now after that, if you click on save, then if someone like I'm going to visit Shopify store right now, as you can see it says here we are fixing our store, we apologize, we will get back. We just made a mistake here. Anyway, we will get back soon in 24 hours. And also you can change this opening soon, or you can change the banner, you can change everything. I'm going to show you how you can do this. So you want to go to online store and you want to click here. Okay, you want to click on online store so that you can customize. You want to click on online store so that you can customize like the opening soon page. Okay, change the banner or make it better. After that, you want to click on customize, and then I'm going to click here on settings. I'm going to click here, and here in the top. Okay, so I'm sorry, you just need to click here where it says sections. Okay, here sections, and then in the top you want to click on home page, and you want to find here password. Okay, now this is how exactly it's going to look. So you can change this banner or whatever. I'm going to change it to desktop. Anyway, like I said, you want to go to online store, like click on customize, and when you come to this page you want to click here in the top, and then you want to click on password. Now you can change this banner to some another, like for example background image. For example, you can change it to something like this. Okay, you can also change this opening soon text to something else. As you want, just click on it 2 times and then you will be able to customize it. And also you can change, like for example, the email sign up banner, or like here be the first to know when we launch. You can do that. You can also remove this email box if you want. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, hopefully this one helped you guys. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.